Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. So when two dice are rolled, what is the probability that the difference between the two numbers is 2? So two dices are rolled. And when you roll each dice, you actually have 6 possible cases, right? So you can get numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 possible cases for each dice. That means if you are rolling two dices, the total number of cases will be 6 into 6 or will be equal to 36. Now we have to find what is the probability that the difference between the two numbers is. So let's start by writing the number of possible cases. So if you have 1 in the first dice, we can get 3 in the second dice so that the difference between the two numbers is 2. We can have 2, 4 as a case. We can have 3, 1, and we can have 3, 5 also as a case. Now, this is where a lot of students go wrong, right? Because they might be thinking of difference only in one direction. Now, difference can be a positive difference. It can very well be a negative difference. Just that the difference has to be equal to 2. So there'll be two cases here. When we talk about 4, we can have 4, 2 and 4, 6. 5, we can have only 5, 3 because other number will be 5, 7. And 6 also only one case, which is 6, 4. So total number of cases will be 6 plus 2 or will be equal to 8 cases. So probability will be equal to 8 divided by 36 or will be equal to 2 divided by 9. So answer will be option number B. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you these concepts from scratch. Hope you find the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.